Hello, welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words purse and parse. Let's look at each one individually. Purse, noun or verb. Noun, a small bag used to carry money and personal items, especially by women. Verb, to pucker or contract, especially the lips. For example, she reached into her purse to find her keys. He pursed his lips in disapproval. The company is tightening its purse strings this year. Parse, verb, to analyze a sentence into its parts and describe their syntactic roles. More broadly, to examine closely or analyze. For example, students were asked to parse the sentence and identify the subject and predicate. The data analyst had to parse through large amounts of information. The program parses the input to extract relevant data. To summarize, purse primarily refers to a bag for carrying personal items or money, or the action of puckering lips. Parse means to analyze grammatically, or more broadly, to examine or analyze closely. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.